The man will be dancing automatically. It means something is moving.
Something is moving inside me. Tapping palm is easy. I thought it was a difficult job.
It's not easy job.
It's not easy. But today, what I've come to experience here look very easy for me now.
Oh no, it's not easy job.
Yes. So how do you dance that way?
Oh,
Wait. Am I doing it right? Is it? Oh no.
Yeah, you can even go that small.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Street Food Series. I found myself somewhere very amazing. I'm in a bush, yes, but I'm still doing street food. I'm here to find out how appetiche is done, which is a local gin, and I want you to come along and do this video with me. Can I get a yay? Yeah, so we are gonna do appetiche. Come on. I think I did around two.
Yeah.
So after we bring it from
the bush.
Okay.
See, this is the power one. Point here.
Okay.
On it is full up. 2 weeks after.
You wait for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And then
before we are going to
distill it. Okay.
So after 2 weeks, then you fet it. Then you come this way. You take this one, fet it. You fet it with this one.
Okay, with the bucket.
With the bucket, then you come this way. Then you pour it inside.
Oh.
We fet this one 8.
8 of this bucket?
8 of this bucket. Making half of the drum.
The drum.
Yes.
Why is that? You can't fold it. You can't.
If you fill up, you will blast.
You will blast?
Yes.
Hey.
It can kill you.
Have you ever had any accident here before?
Hey. But here, no, we don't have any accident here.
Okay.
But that's the way. So we don't make it full up.
Okay.
You fet it to half
of it and then
half of the drum.
Okay.
Then we cover it. After covering, then you set the fire under. You see how the way fire is.
Okay. All right. So now that the fire is set,
it will keep long 1 hour. Then it's starting coming from there.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So who taught you how to do this whole distillation process? Because this is science.
Yes.
Did you go to school to learn how to do it?
No, it's the generation.
It's a generational thing.
Yes. For our forefathers, they started doing this before we too we learning from them.
Oh.
Yes.
But they didn't go to school to learn science.
No, some of them go to school. Some of them didn't go to school.
Okay. But they know that appetiche you have to distill it.
Yes.
To get it.
Yes.
Okay. I see. But this is a nice technology. And how long does it take to produce a whole gallon of appetiche?
Okay, after by 3 hours time.
Yeah.
3.5 hours, and then you finish inside. Then you come out from this side.
Oh.
You remove this stick.
Yes.
If you remove it, then it started come out from here.
So what comes out there?
This is the palm wine. So the vapor will finish inside.
So it is the vapor that makes the
yes,
palm wine.
the vapor. From
sorry, it's the vapor that makes the appetition.
Yes.
So the rest
vapor.
Of the water.
Yes.
There's nothing again like alcohol.
Okay.
Nothing again.
So it's just water that is.
When the spirit fills inside.
Yes.
Then it comes as a water.
3.5 hours. That spirit fills inside.
Okay.
Then you commot it from open there.
Okay.
After putting inside the power of the inside, you come out from here. You see the pipe?
Yes.
When you come inside the water, then you make water.
Oh, okay.
So then you started moving from commoting from there.
Okay.
Okay. Making appetition.
Making appetition.
Appetition.
Okay.
Raw.
Okay. So it is the only the vapor make appetition.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So after the vapor and there's nothing, the water again will make you appetition. So the rest they have to come out and
pour it out.
So you say some people do add sugar to it after the spirit evaporates.
Yeah.
They add sugar and then
the one where they throw it out,
yes.
They used to first put it inside the drum.
Okay.
Half of it.
Okay.
Then they use pour sugar inside.
Okay.
Full of this rubber.
Okay.
One
but
yes. Then they put it inside. Then they take either water or this palm wine.
Okay.
Then they top it, make full up. 2 weeks after, then they starting.
They start draining, distilling it again. Oh, okay. But is there a difference when you use that one?
Different.
What's the difference?
That's why I said that one is different appetition. That one is not strong.
It's not strong.
Yeah. When we are taking it, your face will become like King's 5. So
hey.
So this is original.
The way you are talking is like you're expert. You've tried all.
Expert. I know the work inside.
Hey. So you know which one is the proper appetition. You know which one is the
one that
is that was King's 5.
King's 5 football.
Those small ball. When you as soon as you play it anyway.
Become a King's 5.
You be taking and you smiling, Okay. It makes sense now.
Yeah.
But how much will one gallon cost you? How much you sell 1 gallon of the
35 cedis. No, it's
45 Ghana.
It's 45
Ghana.
Okay. So you sell a whole gallon for 45 cedis.
That's the big one. That's 4 gallon, big one. 20.
Let me bring it in.
Bring it.
So when you pull up this of appetition, it's full of appetition. It's 250 Ghana.
So this whole gallon will cost you 250 Ghana.
Yeah.
250 Ghana.
So only this one, the small one.
The 45 Ghana.
Because I thought you sell this whole
gallon.
No.
This is small gallon.
Okay, so this is 40 cedis.
So this one
45 Ghana.
45 Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one make 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 gallon.
Oh. Hey, then you guys, you are doing your mathematics here. You know how many gallons to make? Hey. Charlie, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Anyway, so it has been amazing doing this episode of the palm wine converting to appetition. And I've come to enjoy myself. I mean, I can feel the whole palm wine. It's moving inside me right now.
Okay.
So you can see that I've become mellow. I want to do but Charlie, hey,
he hard for you.
Yeah, he hard. Okay, do you want to do it with me?
Yeah.
Can we do But it has been amazing doing the appetition episode, converting palm wine to appetition, and I've come to enjoy myself. I've tried the palm wine. I'm not sure I want to try appetition because I have another shoot. But if you have the opportunity to taste appetition, taste it and then
if you miss it, you can't work.
If I miss appetition and palm wine,
yeah,
but they are all from the same family.
If
so
you not take time,
hey, the way he's laughing.
You put your trousers inside.
Hey, I was putting inside my trousers.
Hey,
hey.
So when you are just going to take it, don't miss it.
You don't miss that too.
Don't miss it.
Hey, Hey! So I'm not trying some of the drink because I've already had palm wine, and from what I'm hearing, you don't miss palm wine and apetishi. When you try that, it is going to be gangantuous. I don't know, disastrous. Think of any word that you can use to describe this. All right.
Abio, gawa kota nama bagagba kota pojidolo. Pojidolo gawa malagolo.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh.
See how it is. Very, very strong.
See how the grass they perform.
It's no see. So this libation, let me pour some.
Yeah, protection. This is for one drink, special one. This is no sugar one. No sugar. Abio, we take some.
Chavia ole klofuna ere magadunyo maglina makai amavwa manwonya we maglaga wanya maji